Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Paramount Plus Error 6000. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for paramountplus.com. Now, if you are facing the same error, simply click on the three dots at top right corner of your screen and select New Incognito Window from the drop-down. Here, paste the same link and see if the problem is solved. If the problem still persists, you will need to clear your browsing data. For that, again click on the three dots at top right corner and select Settings. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security Settings from the left side menu, and then access Delete Browsing Data. Inside it, checkmark everything, and then click on Delete Data to delete your browser data. Note that this action will log you out of every website on your browser, and it will be refreshed like a new install. Once done, check the website. If the problem isn't solved yet, you can try connecting to a more stable connection, as it may also hinder the website from loading up. So that's basically how you can fix Paramount Plus Error 6000. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.